Hey there, are you running into the cannot verify server identity error while using Safari on your iPhone? No worries, you're not alone. This error usually pops up when Safari has trouble validating the website's SSL certificate, which raises security flags. It can happen for a few reasons like expired certificates, wrong date and time settings, or even some network hiccups. Let's dive into how you can fix this issue. Solution 1. Check date and time settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down a bit and tap on General. After that, scroll down and select Date and Time. Then, toggle on Set Automatically. Remember, incorrect date and time settings can mess with server certificate verification. Solution 2. Remove unknown extensions. First, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on General. Next, scroll down and select iPhone Storage. Find the Safari browser in the list, then tap on Extensions. If you spot any unknown extensions, go ahead and remove them from your device. Solution 3. Clear Safari cache and data. Next, open the Settings app on your iPhone again. Scroll down and tap on Safari. After that, scroll down and select Clear History and Website Data. Then confirm your action. This helps because clearing cached data and cookies can resolve issues caused by outdated certificates. Now scroll down again and tap on Advanced. After that, tap on Website Data. Then select Remove All Website Data. Solution 4. Restart Safari and your iPhone. Now swipe up from the bottom of the screen to see your open apps. Find the Safari app in the list. After that, swipe up on the Safari app preview to close it. Then restart your iPhone. Once it's back on, reopen Safari and try to access the website again. A fresh restart can often fix temporary SSL certificate issues. Solution 5. Disable VPN or proxy. Finally, open the Settings app on your iPhone one last time. Scroll down and tap on General. After that, scroll down and select VPN and Device Management. Then toggle off VPN if it's currently on. Sometimes VPNs or proxies can mess with server certificate verification, causing this error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cannot verify server identity error on your Safari. If you're still facing issues, it might be a good idea to reach out to your email app or web service provider, especially if this error pops up on secure sites like mail servers. Good luck and happy browsing!